Hi, my name is Noah, and this is the dissection of the sheep's eye practical for Anatomy and Physiology Lab 1. We're going to start with the outside of the eyeball. This hole used to be where the cornea is. The sclera is this opaque white covering around the entire eye. It's made out of connective tissue and helps the eye hold its structure. And on the very back here, you can see the optic nerve that carries signals from the eye to the brain. Looking at the back of the inside of the eye, we have this white covering here. That's the retina. That's where the rods and cones of the eye sit. The rods and cones are responsible for perceiving light and grayscale. This iridescent blue color is the tapetum lucidum of the choroid tissue. It helps with night vision, specifically the part with the yellow coloring there. And then if you follow the nerves through the retinas, you can see that they all converge in this spot right here. That would be the blind spot where the optic nerve leaves the eyeball, and you can see that it correlates with exactly where the optic nerve is on the outside. Moving from there, we can go to the inside of the eyeball. So all of this stuff here was on the inside of the eyeball. This here is the vitreous humor. It's the fluid that fills the inside of the eyeball and helps maintain the shape of the eyeball. That's this right here. This white thing right here is the lens. It's a biconvex lens that focuses light onto the retina. The structure surrounding the lens, that's this darker pigment, is called the zonula solaris. It's ligaments that stretch or bulge that lens to focus lights from different distances away. And then right behind the lens here is where the hyaloid fossa would be. It's a little indentation that actually supports the lens itself while it sits inside the eyeball. And then if we move to the front of the eye, if you're looking on the inside here, you can see that this is where the cornea used to sit. It's now right here, cut in half, so we can see the lens here and the thickness of the lens. And then also here you can see the iris, which is the diaphragm that either constricts or dilates to allow light into the pupil. And I think that covers all of it. So hopefully you had a good semester. Bye.